How to assemble your Velocity One. When your site is clear from debris, peg the footprint down against any prevailing wind. Lay out the inner tent, matching the orange webbing of the footprint to the orange webbing of the inner. Secure it with the same pegs used to secure the footprint. Assemble the alloy frame, making sure the pole sections are fully engaged in the hub. Insert the frame tips into the corner grommets using the colour coding. Orange tips match tabs with orange webbing, and plain tips match the tab with plain webbing. Clip the tent inner to the frame. Assemble the short ridge pole. Clip the short ridge pole into the pole socket at the top of the frame. Attach the ceiling of the tent inner to the ends of the short ridge pole with the ball clips. Lay the rainfly over the tent frame. Attach the two centre clips of the rainfly to the ball clips on the short ridge pole. Secure the rainfly to the frame using the Velcro tabs. Now connect the rainfly to the frame by hooking the tabs under the pole ends. Adjust the tension of the rainfly. Peg out the vestibule until it is taut. Peg out the corner storm ropes. Adjust the rope tension for greater stability in the wind. When you are ready, fold and toggle back the door of your vestibule and/or your tent inner. Happy camping!